Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful and shiny chocolate mirror glaze. We call it a mirror glaze because if you look at it, you can fix your hair and look how beautiful you are. First, put the gelatin leaves into cold water. You want to use cold water because if it's a bit too warm, it will melt and dissolve the gelatin. I'm going to add the cream into my warm water and glucose and then the cocoa powder. We're going to use a spatula and gently stir it. If I use a hand whisk, we're going to incorporate a lot of air bubbles. That's going to take away the shine of the whole chocolate glaze. So now it's simmering. I'm going to remove it from the stove for a minute. I'm going to start to work on my gelatin. Be sure you remove all the water and then add the gelatin into the chocolate glaze. Once the gelatin is dissolved, I'm going to pass the whole mixture through a very fine strainer. You have to pour with confidence. Pour all at once in one motion. Notice the consistency and how shiny the glaze is. Give a very slight tapping. The cake is glazed perfectly. It's shiny. It has this beautiful gloss. I can see myself in the mirror, and more importantly, there is no bubbles. And from there, you can decide to decorate it the way you want. Add some berries and your cake becomes a rock star.